Imagine it's the week of July 4th. You put up a small American flag outside your home. The next day, a letter arrives from your HOA with a $200 fine. It says your flag violates community rules and must be removed. Can they actually do that? Or does federal law protect your right to display the American flag? The answer depends on a federal law most homeowners have never heard of. Welcome to community living. Here's the key question most people get wrong. The real issue usually isn't whether your HOA can ban the American flag. The better question is, what restrictions are they legally allowed to place on how you display it? That distinction changes everything. Today we'll explain what HOAs can regulate, what they usually can't, and where the law draws the line. Let's start with a common situation. A homeowner installs a flagpole in the front yard and begins flying the American flag. A week later, the HOA sends a violation notice. The homeowner immediately thinks, that's illegal. They can't stop me from flying the American flag. But the HOA insists the community has architectural restrictions. So who's right? Actually, both sides may have part of the answer. In 2005, Congress passed a law called the Freedom to Display the American Flag Act. The law generally prevents homeowners associations from outright banning residents from displaying the American flag on property they own or have the right to use. That sounds straightforward, but there's an important catch. The law also allows associations to adopt reasonable restrictions regarding the time, place, and manner of display. Time, place, and manner. Those three words are where most HOA flag disputes actually begin. An HOA generally cannot create a blanket rule saying, no American flags allowed. Rules like that often conflict with federal protections. Likewise, an association usually cannot selectively prohibit the American flag while allowing other decorations. A complete ban is often where an HOA's legal position becomes weakest. This is the part many homeowners miss. Federal law does not eliminate every HOA restriction. Associations may still regulate things like the size of the flag, the location of the flag, the height of a flagpole, whether approval is required for permanent installations, and safety or structural concerns. For example, an HOA may object to a 30-foot commercial-style flagpole installed in the middle of a front yard. That doesn't necessarily mean they're banning the flag. They may be regulating the structure supporting it. Or an HOA might require that flags be mounted on a bracket attached to the house rather than a freestanding pole. That's a manner restriction, not a ban. And keep in mind, many states have their own flag display statutes that may give homeowners additional protections beyond federal law. If your HOA claims your flag violates community rules, don't immediately assume the association is right. But don't assume they're wrong either. Start by reviewing your CC&Rs, architectural guidelines, any flag display rules, applicable state statutes, and federal protections. Often the disagreement isn't about the flag itself. It's about the installation, location, or size. Understanding that distinction can help resolve the issue before it turns into a larger dispute. The American flag is one of the most protected symbols in the country. But protection doesn't mean zero rules. The key is knowing the difference between an illegal ban and a legal restriction. Understanding that difference can save homeowners time, money, and unnecessary conflict with their association. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Community Living for practical HOA education without the drama. And check out our video on what your HOA can and can't actually make you do.